Hey guys, welcome to the first Thieves Thursdays. Today we're going to be talking about the Thieves Oil. Let's see, there's a little bit of history to it, so we didn't just pull it out of thin air. During the 13 to 1700s, the bubonic plague was happening. There were a group of thieves. The number is debated. 3, 4 could have been larger. That were going around and looting from the victims of the bubonic plague. And when they finally got arrested, because they were offered a deal of a lighter sentence in exchange for knowledge of how they were getting away with this without succumbing to the plague. They obviously took the deal. There's different recipes, so there's a little bit of debate as to which one was better or whatnot. But they all had very, very similar herbs and spices in there. We have gone with clove, lemon, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary. These oils are known for their wellness support and cleansing properties. So with that last part in mind, the wellness support and cleansing properties, with this next season coming, it is a season of travel and spending more time indoors. So now would be the perfect time to get this oil, the Thieves Oil, into your routine. You can roll it diluted with a carrier oil on your feet or your spine at night or in the morning. Or you can add a few drops of the Thieves Vitality to your morning drink, whether that's coffee, tea, or a smoothie, whatever floats your boat. But we, with Young Living, have fallen so much in love with this Thieves Oil that Young Living has decided or has created a whole line of cleaning products for us to use, and they all have this Thieves blend in it. So it helps support us. It doesn't harm our bodies in any way. It's completely natural. Or the oils in it are made what I think of as beyond organic. They have a higher standard than the grocery store organic. They've never seen pesticides, herbicides, any of those harsh toxic chemicals. It's all weeded by hand or using animals or some other natural method. And the land that these herbs and spices are grown on have never seen any of those toxic chemicals either. So that's why, and that applies to all of Young Living's products. So that's why we love this cleaning line, is because you can replace all the toxic stuff in your house. This oil helps support your body. You can still get sick on it. It will not prevent any diseases or anything like that. But it helps support your body in what it would already do. So next week I will be sharing just how useful the household cleaner is, because it's multi-purpose. But until then, go ahead, create an account with me. You can order just the Thieves Oil, or if you're intrigued and you want to keep following along with the products as I go over them on Thieves Thursdays, you can go ahead and order the Thieves Starter Bundle. It'll give you the best savings on some of the most used Thieves home products, including the oil, the household cleaner, plus everyday items like hand soap, hand sanitizer, toothpaste, mouthwash, things that you would normally already be using. This is a healthier alternative. So go ahead and create an account using the link up in my bio. I will also put it down in the comments. Be sure you have my enroller number. That way you are one of my customers and I'll take care of you, help educate you and whatnot so that you're confident using these products. So when I see that your order has processed, I will send you a free roller bottle with fractionated coconut oil, one of our preferred carrier oils. That way you can just add your Thieves oil to it and go ahead and get that added to your routine. All right, I will see you guys later. All right, and be sure to hit the like or follow button. See you guys later.